Hey everybody, Michelle Jacobik here, founder of Prosperity After Divorce. I just wanted to give you a little bit of detail about the work that I do and how I help women as a certified divorce financial analyst and somebody who's really passionate about my mission, which is walking with women after they leave the courtroom steps and really start to figure out how to embrace their next chapter. Going through a divorce is a big deal. Like me, you're going to try to compensate for all of the things that you've lost by filling voids with stuff. Buying new things for your new home or apartment, spoiling your kids so that they feel secure, jumping in with gusto into a new social scene will actually make you think that you're moving forward. However, as your money changes and your debt starts to rise or your bank account balance drops, much like mine, you'll soon discover that all of this stuff has just been a distraction. And things are not normal as you are trying to trick yourself to believe. You will realize that you've been overcommitting in order to keep the illusion of your perfect life alive. Instead, you should be trying to figure out how to recreate this new chapter and how to live in your new life. This is the point when things will get really tough unless you have a solid plan. And that's where I come in. I'm not going to tell you to take the high road or the low road. We'll actually walk your road together. With my help, it'll lead to a promising financial future where you can enjoy life's pleasures without going broke. Your first steps on this road are the most crucial, which is why it's important for you to get help from the very start. I actually offer a free initial consultation so that we can discuss your support needs and how I might be able to help you as we get to know each other a little bit. If you feel I can help you focus on your current situation and your goals for the future, you have a couple of ways that you can work with me. I have a #1 top-selling book that you could pick up on Amazon called Prosperity After Divorce. Take charge of your finances and create the life that you really want using lifestyle redesign planning. Lifestyle redesign planning is the process that I've created that walks you through the 6 pillars that are required for you to step into this next chapter successfully. When I went through my own divorce, I'm a money person. I had a company with 14 employees and had grown that to a multi-million-dollar organization. However, one of the things that I realized when I went through the transition of divorce is that I wasn't handling things very well. I had a lot of emotions coming to the table. I had some pretty bad habits that I had also brought into my next chapter, such as eating out all the time and filling my loneliness hole. I would, talk about in my book about how I would hit up the loneliness ATM. It was always a phone call to a friend or finding something to do, which is great. I love that I embraced that new chapter and didn't want to be home sitting and wallowing in the fact that life had changed. I really was embracing things, but I was really disconnected from how I was handling my finances and making choices about what I was going to do week to week. I really was disconnected, so much so that in that first 6 to 9 months, I went through over $20,000 of my hard-earned savings that I had fought to keep, money that I had worked in the marriage to hold on to, and it left me really rocked. And trying to figure out how to regain my financial footing really required me to pull back the curtains, really look at where I was in the moment, what was going to be required in this new lifestyle with added expenses and less income. And so that's what I offer to women today. I actually walk them through a process where I can either bring them into a group program and they can learn about lifestyle redesign process on their own and take the steps to do some things DIY. Or I work with women individually and I actually build their budgets and give them the tools that make this transition easy, and they have the support that they need to be able to walk with somebody and talk out some of the things that they're struggling with. When you do nothing, you get more of the same. So I definitely don't recommend that. I highly recommend that you reach out for a free consultation and see which way this information could best serve you as you start this next chapter for yourself. There is prosperity after divorce, and I full-heartedly believe that. And it's my mission to take that message to as many women around this country that I can.